Hello! Today we're going to go through on how to install AhsayOBM on Linux GUI using the dev installer. It's really simple and it only takes a few minutes. Let's jump to my screen and get started. On your computer, open your web browser, then type in the URL of your backup server. Go to the download page by clicking the button right here. And under Linux FreeBSD and Solaris, click the Dev Online installer to download the installer. Choose Save File and click OK. Once the download has finished, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the dev file to begin the installation. Click Install to begin the installation. After installation, AhsayOBM will be added to the list of applications. Click on the icon to open the application. Enter the root password. When you start up AhsayOBM for the first time, you'll be given two options: free trial and login. Since we already have an account, let's choose login. Enter your login credentials. You may now start to create a backup set and backup your files. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on Linux GUI using the dev installer. It's that simple.